Have you ever lain awake because of a snoring partner? Well, you're not alone. Over half of men and 40% of women snore, causing sleepless nights for many. But it's not just about the noise. Chronic snoring can lead to serious health risks, such as sleep deprivation, irritability, moodiness, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Just for the snorer, mind you. Partners of chronic snorers are more likely to experience insomnia and other health problems. Snoring can even increase the risk of cardiovascular disease and cognitive decline, so it's not something to ignore. If you or your partner snore, it's crucial to rule out sleep apnea, a potentially serious health issue. Don't hesitate to consult a health professional or consider a sleep study. Remember, when your partner snores, no one sleeps.